Hey, it's your girl Leek back with another clothing haul video. Let's go ahead and cue that intro so we can get into it. People, it's your girl Leek with all things LiqueTheNailGeek. Subscribe to my channel, click my logo at the bottom right. And if you haven't followed me on social media, why haven't you? LiqueTheNailGeek. Check out my website, LiqueTheNailGeek.com. Welcome back. I truly appreciate your support. And today we're doing another SHEIN or SHEIN haul. Let's get to it. Satisfying. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 7 items today in this haul. So the first item I got, ooh, I love this material. Of course, the paper. So I got this shirt. It's a off the shoulder shirt. It's really cute. And I'm loving the way this feels, guys. I'm loving it. Can't wait to try this one on. And it's long sleeve, winter. So see how this one does. So I got this one to wear around the house, to be comfortable, and when I start working out. It is a it is a one-piece workout suit. Hopefully it's not too long. The material is nice. It's pretty stretchy. Maybe I should have went a size down. I love the fact that the back is out. So, and then I got it in black, but I'm pretty sure that's what this one is here. Yeah, so this is the black. Then I got a couple of fall tops. You saw one. Of course, I had to go floral. Y'all know how I am. This is a floral long sleeve. I like that little peekaboo detail. Let's see how this one goes. I love this material. Next up, I got this sweater. And it's a wrap sweater or a faux wrap. I've got one on there. But I like the sleeves, they're kind of puffy. Just a cute little detail. It's more like a thermal sweater to keep me warm. And I did get that, see that in black, in 2 colors. I got it in black, and then I got it, of course, in this beautiful pink. You see that? I am seeing it, it's pretty open, so I'm gonna have to pin that. Love that. And then I got this gray. You know me, I love lace. Look at that, y'all. This gray sweater. That's the back of it, right? This is the sleeves. Check that out. Gotta love lace. And this is the front. Okay, so I am extremely happy with what I have. The one-piece jumpsuits they fit from waist down, but they do not fit. I am top heavy, so the line, like I said, the line is like here when it should be like here. It's not okay. All my shirts I freaking love, especially this sweater, and it definitely is a sweater because it is a good quality material. It will keep you warm. Again, this is a winter/fall or fall/winter haul. So happy with all of my selections. I'm not going to return anything, and if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up, and until next time,